Deep conditioning is a feel-good type of treatment, right? That is exactly what we need right now. Hey guys, it's Lena LaMonico here. I am here in my home today in Cranford, New Jersey. I am also a matrix artistic educator and a stylist and colorist at Vito Mazza Salon and Spa in Woodbridge, New Jersey. I'm going to be showing you guys and explaining to you why it's really important to not cut your hair at home. You know, we're all in this together, and essentially I really wanted to make sure I talk to you guys about the importance of right now feeling good. Deep conditioning is a feel-good type of treatment, right? That is exactly what we need right now. My hair is a couple days dirty. I also have a little bit of frizz and some roughness to it. Also, you can see in here, my hair is like really stringy. It definitely needs to be trimmed up. I do have some extensions too that are definitely on that more split side, as you can see in here. This is a system that I'm going to be using throughout this duration that's just going to make me feel great, and it's my own created split end treatment. So I'm going to be using my Keep Me Vivid regular shampoo today. I'm also going to be using my Keep Me Vivid lamination spray. I'm absolutely obsessed with this spray in here. I use it pretty much every time I deep condition my hair. I just feel like it just helps it prolong the deep conditioner on the hair. I'm going to be using from our Total Results line the Rebond Strength Rehab System. I'm going to be using the number 2, the pre-conditioner for extreme repair. The reason why I'm not using the entire line today is because I am a firm believer, even if somebody does have extremely damaged hair, using too much protein is a no-no. And the reason being is because it can actually make your hair more dry, more brittle, because the hair needs to be balanced. It needs to be balanced with 2 different components. Protein, which is usually found in our rehab systems or any kind of reparative line, and also moisture. Lastly, I'm going to use my regular conditioner for the Keep Me Vivid line again. I'm using that because I don't want it to be too heavy. I don't need a heavy deep conditioner over this right now. Using all these factors, it's just going to be really excellent for the hair. I wanted to show you guys, I've already washed my hair with the Keep Me Vivid shampoo, and now I'm going to be starting to apply the lamination spray. What that's going to do is, like I said, it's going to really be able to help this pre-bond treatment. So my hair is lightly combed out with my fingers. I'm just going to kind of come in here. There's no conditioner in my hair. I do have my extensions still in. They're still hanging on. So I'm going to take my lamination spray. Make sure I really saturate my ends, and then work my way on up. I'm going to take it on the other side. Saturating my ends. I'm going to be just raking it on through, making sure it's nice and saturated during this time. Now that it's been about a minute, I'm going to just divide my hair like in our first video into 2 sections, just so that it's a little bit easier for me to make sure I apply it everywhere correctly. And now I am going to start the Rebond Strength Rehab System. So because my hair is so fine, I'm just going to be using a little bit of this, about a dime size amount. I'm going to emulsify it into my hands. And I'm just going to start lightly on the bottom, because that's really where my hair is split at. Now I'm going to take the second piece down, divide this up, and I'm going to be using a little bit more. So this one's more of a quarter size amount. I'm going to emulsify it again. I'm going to start on this side. So you can see in here, I'm really saturating the bottom half of my hair. We're going to let this sit on about 4 to 5 minutes. So I've had this on now for about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. So I'm going to take my Keep Me Vivid conditioner, just like regularly I would use. And now I'm only taking a little bit, quarter size amount for all of my hair. I'm just starting on the ends. Now I'm just going to take a light comb
fancy, just like a wide tooth comb. You can see there's going to be a lot of shine on my ends. This is not going to be overly heavy because I didn't really put it on my root. It's just a really nice lightweight product line, even mixed all together. Now I'm going to just leave that on for about 10 minutes. I'm going to just wrap it on up here.
So guys, as you can tell, my hair is nicely done now. I feel so much better. My hair feels amazing. I lightly blow dried my hair. So when I blow dried my hair, I used two products in my hair. The Airy Builder Dry Texture Foam. I usually let this air dry into my hair because it's so lightweight. But I did blow dry it today and it just gives my hair very, very soft movement in here. And actually both of the products that I use have nothing for shine, so you can really see that difference on how my hair was from before. So also I used our air dry lotion from Biolage. It's absolutely amazing. It's super lightweight. It's very refreshing for the hair, and it can be used on all different hair types. Any of these products can, which I'm really proud to say. So I just want to thank you so much again for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed and learned a little something. If you have any questions, please feel free to comment below or DM me on Instagram. My name is Lena_LaMonico. And thank you so much. Continue to make sure you follow Hair.com for the best videos.